In this video, we are going to discuss about biological classification. We all know that there are more than 10 million different types of organism on this planet. Is it possible to study each and every organism separately? Definitely not. So, scientists, they have always tried to group these organisms into different groups on the basis of certain features. So what are these different type of classification? What are the basis of these classification? Let us study about this in this chapter. The first type of the classification, it was started by Aristotle, who is also known as the father of biology. He gave the first system and he divided the organism on the basis of their habitat, terrestrial, aquatic, aerial. This was just based on the basis of their habit and where they are living. So that is why this is called artificial system of classification. In this type of classification, only one or two morphological characteristics or their habitat, only these things are concerned. No importance is given to they don't show any evolutionary trend. In fact, organisms which are sharing different characteristics, they may be categorized under the same group. This is the reason that this artificial system of classification was discarded. Then came the natural system of classification. In natural system of classification, emphasis is given on the comparative study of morphology, anatomy, embryology, and comparison of their nuclear material, their home. In fact, in natural system of classification, molecular homology is also seen. That is, DNA, RNA, protein structure, these are also compared. So, in this type of the classification, only the organisms which are sharing a number of common characteristics, they are categorized in a single group. Phylogenetic system of classification. In this classification, the main emphasis is on the phylogeny, that is the evolutionary history. So, the organism, they are compared and categorized on the basis of the evolution, or you can say that in the sequence in which they appeared on the earth. Two kingdom classification. Two kingdom classification was given by father of taxonomy, Linnaeus. He divided all organisms into two groups, Planta and Animalia. In this classification, all bacteria, fungi, plants, they were included under the kingdom Planta. The basis of his classification was that the presence of the cell wall, presence of the stored food in the form of starch, absence of particular sense organ, unlimited growth, and there is absence of locomotory structure. On the other hand, member of kingdom Animalia, they were heterotrophic, they were not showing any photosynthetic structure, photosynthesis process absent in them, they are having the locomotory structure, cell wall absent in them, and they are having the sense organ. Three kingdom classification was given by Haeckel. He formed a new kingdom, Protista. He included all protozoan, fungi and bacteria in this group. Later on, fungi and Monera, they were removed from this, and only the unicellular Protista, they were included under this kingdom. Copeland, he gave four kingdom of classification. He formed the kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera, it included all bacteria. So now there are four kingdoms. Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Plantae, and Kingdom Animalia. Five kingdom classification was given by R.H. Whitaker. He gave five kingdoms: Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Plantae, and Kingdom Animalia. This classification was based on the nature of the cell, organization of the cell, absence or presence of cell wall, the mode of nutrition, the phylogenetic history, the complexity of the cellular structure. But this system is also having certain flaws. Even in this system, the position of virus, lichen is not clear. There are certain unicellular organisms like Chlamydomonas. It has been placed in kingdom Planta, though it is unicellular, so this should have been included under kingdom Protista. Later on, Carl Woese, he gave 3 domains of life. These 3 domains of life are Archaea, Eukarya and Monera. Actually, he separated kingdom Monera into 2 groups, Archaea and Monera or bacteria. So according to Carl Woese, now at present we are having 6 kingdom classification. Archaebacteria, that include only and only Archaebacteria, then kingdom Monera, Protista, fungi, planta and animalia.